Hello students, so quickly let us see how we can answer this question. Okay, so this is paper 1 topic and this question came in 2018. Okay, so the question says on the x or y plane below, the region R is unshaded. Okay, as we can see this x or y plane. Okay, look at it. Now the question says write the three inequalities that define the region R. Okay, so let us go straight into answering. Now, number one, let's just start with the straight line before we go to the sloping lines. Start with the straight line. So the first question you ask yourself is that, which axis does this line cut? When you look at this line, so you can see that it cuts the x-axis. This is the x-axis. So it is cutting the x-axis. Therefore, we are going to write, we're going to say x. Okay, so x is equal to, at which number is this line cutting the x-axis? It is cutting the x-axis at -3. So x is equal to -3, like that. Now, the equal sign is not an inequality sign, so we need to find an inequality sign. So therefore, we are going to say x, when we stand on this line, here, now, where is our R? Our region R is here. So when we stand here, going this side, what is happening to these numbers? You find that these numbers, they are increasing, okay? So we are going to say that x here is what? Is greater, okay? Because the side where R is on the greater side. So since this line is a solid line, then x is going to be greater than or equal to what? To -3. So we say x is greater than or equal to -3. We have used the greater than or equal to because it is a what? A solid line. Okay, so that is our answer. We go to the second one. Okay, number 2, we're going to get this sloping line. Going to get this line. So always when you're given a sloping line, just know that you need to calculate gradient. Okay, so we're going to pick the coordinates. So if you look at this line, it is cutting the x-axis at negative what? At -3. So we say -3, meaning y is going to be what? It's going to be 0. Okay, again we get other coordinates. At y, it is cutting y at 2 here, at 2. So the x will be what? Will be 0. So we say 0, 2. So this will be your x1, y1. This is your x2 and your y2. After that, what you do, you use the formula for finding gradient. You say m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula now, what do? We replace. So we say our gradient will be equals to, what is our y2? Our y2 is 2. We say minus, what is our y1? It is 0. We put a 0 there over, our x2 is what? It is a 0. Minus, what is our x1? Our x1 is a -3, so in the bracket say -3. So this will be m. From 2 take away 0, remain with 2. This will be like this. So here, negative times negative, it is positive. So this is the same as saying 0 plus 3. Okay, so our gradient will be equals to 2 over 0 plus 3 is what? It's 3. So there, that is our gradient. So after we do that, what we do, we use this formula, y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, so where y is equals, what is our m? Our m is 2 over 3. So we're going to say 2 over 3x plus c. What is this c? The c is the y-intercept. Where the line is cutting what? Where the line is cutting the y-axis, you pick that number. So when you look at this here, our line is cutting the y-axis at what? At 2. So this is our c. As simple as that. So we are going to say y is equals to 2 over 3x plus what? plus 2 because the line is cutting the y-axis at what? At 2. Now, let us put the inequality sign where there is equals here. So we'll say y. Now, when you stand at this line, where is your region R? Region R is upwards. So as you stand on this line going up, it is going what? It is greater. Numbers are increasing going up. Numbers are increasing. Okay? And the line is what? Is a solid line. So we're going to say y is greater than or equal to 2 over 3x plus 2. That is our answer. Okay? We have found our answer. Just like that. Okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, so number 3. Number 3, where is this line? The line is here. This line. Okay, now, when you look at this line, we have been given the coordinates. Okay, we have this coordinate and that coordinate. So we are going to use the coordinates that we have been given. So we have negative 3, 10, and also 3, 4. So on these coordinates, we are going to name them. This is our x1, our y1. This is our x2 and our y2. So we are going to use the formula m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We replace in this formula, so this will be equal to, what is our y2? Say 4, we take away what? 10, that is our y1 over our x2 is what? It is 3 minus our x1 is negative 3. Okay, so when you work out that one there, it will be a negative 6 over negative times negative, it is positive. So this means 3 plus the 3, that is giving us 6. So therefore, our gradient here will be equals to 6 into negative 6, it is negative 1. That is our gradient. From there, we use the formula of finding the line of the straight line. We say m gradient of the straight line. Okay, like that. So y is equals to, what is our m? Our m is a negative 1. So this is the same as saying negative x plus. What is our c? Where is this line cutting the what? The y-axis. It is cutting the y-axis at 7. So our c is 7. So the last part is we put the inequality now. Now, when you stand at this line, and you look at where your R is, it is down here. Okay, your R is down here. So therefore, y will be what is less, because when you stand at this line coming down, the numbers are decreasing, so it is less. So y is less than or equal to, because it is a solid line, less than or equal to negative x plus 7. That is your answer. So we have the 3 inequalities, 1, 2, and the third one is here. So that is how you solve such a question in an exam. Look at it. Solve the same question. Thank you very much for watching.